Blessings, everyone, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. We're all accustomed to the usual beach flex, but what about those days where you're not too thrilled about hot sun, like now when the sun hot, nor sand, and sometimes overcrowded venues? For those like me who like and appreciate Jamaican waterfalls and river wash-offs, the trip to a refreshing natural stream may not turb as far as you may think. Though dozens of rivers could have been included here, let's start with one per parish. Now, the listing for Kingston and St. Andrew will be listed as one listing. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaicans and Jamaica. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 13, Bowden and Falling Edge Falls. That's in Kingston and St. Andrew. Be prepared to do a short hike or ride to seek out this majestic treasure. The route traveled included an easy 10-minute walk after parking at an all-age school, which served as a driving dead end. There's also a longer path, which includes walking through Heritage Dam. Number 12, Mountain River Cave, and that's in St. Catherine. Located in the lush green terrains of Kojo Hill, the area houses a large collection of art by Jamaica's native inhabitants, the Taínos, and shows clues to their early existence. Number 11, Salt River, and this is located in Clarendon. A favorite among many residents of the town for a cool dip. After the highway toll booth, turn left at Sandy Bay and be blessed. Number 10, Gut River, and this one is located in Manchester. A river, beach, and a small hamlet, together on an isolated stretch of south-facing coastline. The name is said by the locals to derive from the German word for good. Number 9, Breadnut Valley Falls, and this is located in St. Elizabeth. From its entrance, you wouldn't imagine all the hidden beauty inside. It starts as small streams flowing into a natural pool, but as you hike upwards, you'll find bigger, deeper cascades. Check out this video to see what I'm basically talking about. Number 8, Mayfields Falls, and this is in Westmoreland. The phrase difficult words lead to beautiful destinations rings true here. Located high in the hills, this Cascade series is home to 20 plus natural pools, 52 types of ferns, and lots of exotic species native to Jamaica. See highlights in the descriptions below. Number 7, Discovery Falls in Hanover. Nestled within a secluded mountain setting on the western part of Jamaica, Discovery Falls is situated in Silver Spring, 15 minutes outside of Negril. Palm trees and beautiful gardens line the lagoons. Natural springs nestled on the edge of this mountain with 1,000 feet zip line through the canopy. Number 6, Great River, St. James. The Great River is one of Jamaica's major rivers and forms the boundary of the parishes of St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover. It is greatly used for rafting along with river tubing. Number 5, Dornoch Head in Trelawney. This acts as the source of the Rio Bueno River. The spring water is said to come from a rock on the pool's left side. and the river begins its descent to the sea on the pool's right. Number 4. Konoko Falls in St. Anne. This large cascade series is nestled in the hills of St. Anne overlooking the resort area of Ocho Rios. Just 5 minutes away from the town center, the ascension of the falls is easier than it may look. I recommend climbing for the sheer satisfaction, plus lying on the rocks near to the top as you listen to the flowing water. The venue also includes a Taino museum, mini zoo, and eatery for a full day of enjoyment. It's not far from one of the most famous Jamaican waterfalls, and that's Dunn's River. Number 3. Kwame Falls in St. Mary, otherwise called Kwame Falls. A mostly deep pool beneath the falls with some very warm spots, I've been told, is great for a refreshing dip. You may have the option to hike from various points in the Robbins Bay area, roughly an hour and 30 minutes, or take a boat to cut out a significant portion of the trip, approximately a 30-meter hike. There are many guide offerings in the area. Pick one and go. View highlights down below in the descriptions. Number 2. Nani Falls in Portland. Located in Moortown, the falls are about 30 to 45 minutes hike and is said to be totally worth it. Tucked away in nature, the secluded waterfall plunges into a deep pool. Number 1. Reggae Falls in St. Thomas. But you know me have to put that one here number 1. I'm not being biased, peeps. Known by residents as Dammed, the water of this man-made dam plunges several feet into the Johnson River. In the last few years, it has become an increasingly popular attraction for locals and tourists alike. Find out how to get there and what to expect. Have you ever been to any of these Jamaican waterfalls? Please share your experiences in the comments. And until we meet again, guys, here in Elite Jamaica, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Y'all stay blessed. Blessings everyone, and thank you for joining again. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, please remember that you can give it a thumbs up, alright? And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. There's instructions on the screen right now. And turn on notifications so you can always receive all of my updates. Until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, just want to say thank you all for watching and stay blessed.